Hey Vikings, I'm Brooke.
And I'm Alyssa. Welcome back to this week's broadcast.
Alyssa, did you see some of the girls playing football this week?
Yeah, I did. I also saw some of the boys playing volleyball.
Let's see how it went.
As fall sports are dying down, Mr. Bryce Harrington and Mrs. Herman put on PowderTuff and PowderPuff for our students.
Practices usually look like practicing serving, and the coaches hit at the boys so that they can practice digging, and then we also toss balls to them so they can hit.
Practices typically look like the volleyball girls just doing passing drills and hitting drills and kind of just hanging out, having a good time.
This year we were really busy, so we didn't practice, but we just came a little bit early before it started and just warmed up a little bit.
Honestly, we didn't practice at all this year. We just kind of came ready to play, and we knew what we had to do.
Before the game, the coaches just talked to the boys about positions and calling the ball, talking about who's going to take it, and making sure like they work on their serve, because that will be the most important part. My favorite part about doing this is just coming together as a grade, and different grades coming together to play, have fun, especially through FCA, just getting to have fellowship together.
I like doing it because it's just a good time to hang out with friends and play some volleyball and have some fun.
PowderTuff has been going on for 10 years, and PowderPuff has been going on for 4 years.
Practices look like we just throw the ball around, and we do some routes and stuff, and we play some defense. We just teach them how to play football.
The boys usually we split up in groups, and then we work on each skill for that certain group.
We have practiced 3 times.
We practiced twice.
We prepared as a team by teaching the girls how to play.
We made a group chat with all the girls in it, and then we kind of talked about positions and what we're gonna do.
My favorite part is just hanging out with my friends and having fun with them.
It kind of just brings our grade together.
Thank you to Mr. Bryce Harrington and Mrs. Jess Herman for putting on these events for our students.
Wow, that looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah, you want to know what else is fun to watch?
What?
One Act. They just started their season. Let's go talk to Andrew and Audrey about their show.
Many students at Northwest High School participate in One Act.
Whoever you are, defiance of the gods brings retribution.
One Act is where we perform a play that lasts about 30-40-ish minutes.
This year's One Act is about a girl named Persephone and Hades, the king of the underworld, and they fall in love.
Story of Persephone, kind of about her and Hades' love story, how she deals with the issues of not being wanted.
I wanted to be a part of this year's One Act because I had been in it for the past 3 years, and I got pulled into it my freshman year, and I really enjoyed it.
What made me want to do One Act this year was because I have done it in the past. I always have lots of fun. The people in it are super nice. It's so fun to perform. I just love the competitions.
These students have dedicated a lot of time and energy into perfecting their play.
Our rehearsals, we come in, set our props and whatnot on stage. The actors do warm-ups, and then we move into what we need to work for that day, whether if it's a full show rep or if it's just little stuff.
Typical rehearsal, we do some warm-ups, and then we run through the play once, then we go through critiques once, then we run it again.
Timing is critical because plays over 30 minutes and 30 seconds are automatically dropped one placing at competitions.
Getting under our 30-minute time frame because we kept going over and not being able to compete with that time.
The biggest challenge in preparing for the play has been probably memorization and making sure that the right emotion is behind each and everything, and making sure that your face is always on even when you're not speaking and stuff.
My favorite part about being in One Act is being able to see how our actors go as freshmen to seniors and see how much they change between then.
My favorite part about being involved in One Act is probably the people. Everyone's super fun, super silly. It's just a good community.
We work together as a team by moving our stuff on and off in a quick matter, and then our actors work together to make the show better than it was at the beginning of the season.
Work together to make the show successful by making sure that everyone is accountable, scheduling extra practices when need be, just genuinely getting along and having professionalism.
Good luck to One Act in their upcoming performances.
Wow, I wish I could act like that. The only Greek god I know about is Ambrosia.
Who's Ambrosia?
It's the Greek god of food. Speaking of food, have you heard about the school store?
No, I haven't. Let's see what it's about.
Former teachers Barb Holes and Diane Rosé started the school store and named it Viking Headquarters.
The main goals of the school store is to provide some snacks for students after school and before school, and the organizations that help with it, they get some profit from it. They get paid for working the school store. That's how we get money.
Mr. Bombeck and Mr. Furneaux, before I started, they were running it, and they just handed over it to me when I came in and started working here.
The school store started as a mobile glass display case on wheels, built by Mr. Gee, the former industrial tech teacher.
So the profits go to organizations that help man the school store. So these are the groups that are part of the manning the school store. We do FCCLA, FBLA, then we have Skills USA, we have robotics, and then we have National Honor Society, and we also have the Nobel Prize winners.
Miss Rother, Miss Nelson, and Mr. Haydenfeld also help with the school store.
Basically, so kids have something they can eat before school, after school, before their activities. Just in the morning, if they forgot to grab something from home, or they can get something before a athletic performance or practice.
Students are involved with running the school store by manning it, meaning that they are there when the school store is open. So they take whatever the students want for the product and then take their money and give them their cash back or give them their change back.
We kind of just ask around. Most of the products in there haven't really changed that much, but we're open. We're open to any sort of suggestions that kids have.
The biggest challenge is probably for the students to know what change to give back to whoever's ordering, because there's nothing on a register that tells you the amount, so you have to all do it in your head. And then also just to keep all the products stocked up and make sure we have enough for like cold pop when we run out of Dr. Pepper, because Dr. Pepper is really popular, and make sure it's cold and not warm when we have to give it to the student. We go to Walmart and Sam's Club to get the inventory. The pricing, it's kind of part of our class down in Connections too. We go over unit price, how much something costs in the store versus how much you can sell it for to make a profit. We kind of teach our kids an alternative how to do that and then go from there. I see the school store changing or evolving just to maybe have more variety offered at our school store. We have quite a few different variety now, but it seems like we're always looking for some new ideas of what to supply.
Over the years, the school store has grown and is made possible by strong collaboration.
Dang, they have a lot of different options. What are you doing?
I'm blind. Who turned the lights off?
I heard some Northwest students were also blind, deaf, and mute this week. Let's go check it out.
Hey Vikes! This week our fellow Vikings are doing the Blind, Deaf, and Mute Cooking Challenge.
Let's see how well they work together.
Up, coat bottom of pan with non-stick cooking spray. Okay, yeah, that's good. Hey, oops! Wait, combine cake mix, eggs whites, vegetable oil, and water. Like, ew!
Jaden, pull it.
Wait! Okay, go!
Let me pour it. I thought I was gonna pour it. What? No, let me pour it.
Okay, then pour it. You can pour you can pour the cake mix. Oh, right there.
Oh. Ew.
You got that. I will be using this. Okay, where are they gone?
Where's it?
On medium. Slow. Medium. On medium speed. He's talking to nobody.
I thought Jane was over there.
I thought you guys didn't have really oiled up.
Rice for what?
Get it really oiled up.
Yeah, you got that.
Is something funny about that?
Okay.
Oh no, you have to shut it off. Okay, yep. Wait, I need a spoon to scrape the thing with. Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, that's not the pan.
Thank you.
What? Have you never baked a cake before? Why would you use it like that? You're gonna scrape the rest when you
don't even know what you're doing. Sorry, I'll skip this song for her.
Oh, no, two questions.
Dead.
Okay, wait, you need to move out of. I'm opening the oven. Stay at a safe distance. It's right there, you dum-dum. I was literally looking for that for so long.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I think it's going.
Right, J, K forever. Is this backwards?
No.
This is a really good use of stuff. Huh? No,
Oh
it is
my
not the wrong way.
gosh.
It is not the wrong way. I promise you it's not the wrong way.
Cake.
They're right here, I get it. Yep.
Put it up. Put the flame up. Okay, make a wish on 3. 1, 2, 3.
It must be hard to lose your senses. I couldn't imagine.
Anyways, that's all we have this week. I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Brooke.
See you next week, Vikings.